Hi guys, today we're playing the Rocky the Rooster. I know it's kind of a weird intro. I'm sorry about that. But everything's working, we got the music going. Yeah. Oh, I forgot how to do this boss. Because in one of my last videos, I really wanted to do the chicken boss, but I got stuck on that one, remember? So I had to do a different level. So, if you're watching right now, then go subscribe to Enchanted Portals Gaming. He's very excited for the game, just as I was when it originally came out. And it'd be nice if you gave him some support. Okay. As I told you, I have played this boss a few times. Well, maybe not. I've beat it once. When I was going through the game. Okay, we're on the second phase. Okay, this is like probably my favorite. Oh, what? I died. Yeah, I'm so happy the music is working, because before it wouldn't work, remember? I'd be like, sorry guys, my music's not working. But I found a way to get it to work. And I really hope I can beat this boss. Okay, I think if I stay here, we're good. Oh. Should we do this one? Maybe. I feel like it'd be more helpful. I mean, there's no enemies, but maybe it just gets some more. Alright. I don't know. Okay. Please just go to your next phase. Sorry, it's kind of early in the morning when I'm recording this. It's not too bad. Like 8 o'clock. Don't worry about that.
8 o'clock.
Okay. Anyways. Okay, I almost got hit there. Let's go. Alright. I really like the super ability. Wait, do I have it again? Oh no, I was gonna say. Okay. I literally love this game. Anyone else that's on my side and loves this game as much as I do, please comment on this video, or don't. I don't really know. Just please get me to the next phase. Oh man. Okay, maybe I'll just use this one. But what about this one? Oh, it's kind of slow. Let's just use the fire. I think the green is actually a good idea. He really only uses one attack. Remember this boss looked like when it was first shown off? It looked pretty cool, didn't it? It still looks amazing. This is why it's my favorite boss, because it's so creative and weird. But I really wanted to do it in this episode because I didn't get a chance to do it in, like, was it my last video? In my last video, I did things I missed. I know if you're watching this afterhand, then this should have been in the video that I missed, because I finished. Okay, we have a super charm thing. Maybe I should have been on turbo mode because it does more damage. I didn't even realize that was coming. Okay. I know it's gonna come soon. I mean, this isn't a hard boss by any means. It's not hard. But it is very fun. That's why it's my favorite. I'm sorry you have to watch me fail a lot. I mean, Okay, we got to the last phase. Okay, this was actually a really easy phase. I think I can show you, right? Oh gosh. It's so much slower, I feel like. Wait, I can just show you? The T-Rexes are so slow. It's okay. This isn't a very hard phase.
Daddy, come over
Sorry
here.
about that. Sorry if you hear anything. It's some issues. People in the background, don't worry about it. Okay, this is an easy phase. Okay, that was easy.
Get this pillow.
Alright.
Daddy, get this pillow.
Oh, I am so sorry, guys.
Get this pillow.
But anyways, I did Rocky. And thanks you guys for watching. This is a shorter video. But thank you for watching. And see you guys next time.